A rotisserie chicken from the store and a handful of pantry staples turn into the creamiest, heartiest white chicken chili you have ever made, and your slow cooker does almost all the work. We're making chicken chili crockpot style, using rotisserie chicken to save time, plus white beans, corn, salsa, and warm seasonings all simmered together for the coziest autumn bowl of chili. Hey friends, that's the truth. The slow cooker does all of the work in this recipe. Today, you and I are going to make white chicken chili. It literally is all going to be dumped into your crock pot slow cooker, and you're going to walk away and you're going to dump it in there in less than 5 minutes. It is super easy. It's going to take you longer to get your ingredients out onto the counter than it is to put everything into this crock pot. So it's easy. It's going to feed a nice size group, and if you don't need to feed a nice size group, you can cut it in half to feed 2 or 3 people. So that's always a great option as well. So let's get into it. We begin the white chicken chili by deboning a rotisserie chicken and adding that chicken to the bottom of a crock pot. This is a super easy recipe. It's going to save time by using the rotisserie chicken that's already cooked. We're then going to season the chicken with some pepper, some salt. I used white pepper there, but you can use any black pepper. You're also going to add in 2 packages of white chicken chili mix bought from the grocery store. Next, we're going to add in the chicken broth, and we're going to add that in. It's a good couple cups, so we're going to add that in here. Next, after the chicken broth is added in, we'll be adding in the diced up onion. And then right behind that, we're going to add in our celery. Then comes our corn. You can use a frozen corn here. A whole jar of salsa. You can use a medium salsa, a hot salsa, a mild. Then comes the 3 cans of northern beans. You're going to drain your beans and then add the cans right into the slow cooker. Now, the slow cooker is going to be set on low, and we're going to now kind of mix in all of the ingredients together. It doesn't have to be hard, just kind of gently mix all of the combined or all the ingredients until they're well combined. I'm going to be adding in some water here next. But anyways, you're going to set your slow cooker on low, and you can leave this cooking for 4 to 6 hours. Next, we're going to add in the water. So what I'm saying is you can eat it in 4 hours or you can eat it in 6 hours. If you're working and you're working 6 full hours, the crock pot's going to be fine. So I'm adding some water in here just to kind of loosen up the mixture. We want it somewhat of a watery, loose mixture there, a lot of liquid. Okay, so we're going to put the top on the crock pot, and like I said, low for 4 to 6 hours. Right before, about a half hour before you're going to eat the crock pot, you're going to take the top off, and we're going to add in 1/3 to a half a cup of instant potatoes. Now, this is a little secret that I use in a lot of my chili recipes, my soup recipes. It thickens up the whole recipe. So we don't want the chicken chili super watery. We want it to kind of have a thick base to it. And your instant potatoes is the super easiest way to thicken up any soup and or chili that you're making. So depending on what yours looks like, it only may take 1/3 of a cup. Sometimes mine takes a full half cup to make it super, super thick, or as thick as you want it. So you're going to put the top back on for about another half hour to let that thicken up. Next, I have a recipe card up here on the screen for you to take a quick screenshot of with your device so that you've got this recipe and have easy access to it. And if you love cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, please hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the bell too so that I can see a little bit more of you. What you'll love about this white chicken chili is that it is very, very easy to add some sharp cheddar cheese, some green onions. Those are all optional toppings at the end before you get ready to serve this. It's also good with some bread, some sourdough bread, a French bread, or even some homemade bread on the side is really delicious. And if you want to feel like part of the family around here, come join Laura's Kitchen crew. You'll get early access to my videos, a member badge, custom emojis, and a recipe card just for members only every single month. To join, you hit the join button with the star on it on the front page of the Laura's Cooking channel. Also, there's other links there. You can jump into my kitchen store where you can purchase the same items or utensils that I use in all of my videos, located right there in the Amazon store. Once again, thanks for watching, subscribing, and commenting. All right, friends, the white chicken chili is all complete here. I'm going to take the top off. Ooh, look at that steam. And let's give her a nice stir here. Oh, yeah. So you can even let this go 5 or 6 hours. It's just going to sit here till you get home from work or you get done doing what you're doing. I mean, we did this 4 to 5 hours, but even if you were working a longer shift, it's going to be fine. Okay, so I'm going to scoop some out. I'm going to turn it off here first. Now here, you can garnish it with a little sour cream, some cheddar cheese, some green onions, some hot sauce, however you want to serve it up here. Look at those big pieces of that rotisserie chicken. And I'm telling you what, this went together less than, wow. I mean, we weren't videotaping very long filming. I mean, I think it went together in less than 8 minutes because we used that rotisserie chicken, right? That's the key to kind of move things along here when you don't have a lot of time, right? So I'm going to take some cheddar cheese and put it on the top here. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. And now a little dollop of the sour cream on top, which is delicious. But it is delicious. Super easy, right? Follow the steps. And that's gonna feed quite a few people. That whole crock pot will. Those beans, that nice little crunch of the corn. The salsa gives it just a little bit of a kick. If you like a little bit higher of a kick, then you can put some hot sauce on top of here, right? But it is just absolutely delicious. The cheese is melting down in there. Beautiful chunks of celery, the chicken, the beans, the onion. It is beautiful. This is a 10 out of 10. This is one of my favorite dishes. So cozy up. This is a great one. If it's a little too hot right now, it's summer. Cozy up and we'll make this one for fall and winter all day long. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.